Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which PAN to keep and which to cancel. Once you have PAN copies and Aadhaar-linked eKYC, open the income tax e-filing portal and log in. Make sure to download the PAN correction/duplicate cancellation form or keep the cancellation request option ready. You will need the duplicate PAN numbers, dates of issuance, and any supporting proof. Act now. Prepare a clear cover letter stating the duplicate PANs, the reason for cancellation, and the primary PAN you intend to retain. You now complete and submit the cancellation form. Carefully enter each duplicate PAN and the primary PAN you want to retain, explaining why duplicates exist. Once done, attach scanned supporting documents like PAN cards, Aadhaar, and correspondence that show duplication. Make sure signatures match or use e-verification through Aadhaar or DSC, otherwise the process stalls. Then submit and note the acknowledgement number. Keep that number and confirmation PDF. These are essential for tracking and any follow-ups with the tax office. You finish by monitoring the cancellation status on the e-filing portal using your acknowledgement number. Confirmations can take days to weeks. If the tax office asks for more documents or clarifications, reply promptly and attach exactly what they request, because delays often come from mismatched names or missing proofs. Once approved, verify the canceled PAN is marked inactive and the primary PAN is functional. Troubleshooting tip: if rejection occurs, read the rejection reason carefully, correct the specific field, and resubmit immediately to avoid further delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.